us now from Dubai is Bas Kooijman, CEO and asset manager at DHF Capital. Good to have you back on the program, Bas. Now, with gold prices bouncing back and inflation still a concern, what are the key factors driving this recovery?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me again. It's very interesting. The volatility in gold keeps just continuing. We had some hard times reaching that $2,500 an ounce mark, passing through a couple of 2-3 weeks ago. Highest levels recorded on 20 August and multiple times around this 25-40 level. I think it's mostly due to the geopolitical tensions the last couple of months that we have seen this strength in rising the gold price. And we will need to see what the rate cuts are going to do, even though less than expected.
Right, and on that note, how do you see the Federal Reserve's smaller than expected rate cut impacting gold and other precious metals in the coming weeks?
It would be impacting gold technically less than larger rate cuts. On the other side, the rate cuts from like 6 at the beginning of this year, at this moment, only 85% chance of half the rate cut that we expected 2 weeks ago. It's still a very unclear market what the final decision will be. And it will maybe affect the gold price a little bit less than expected if the rate cut would be bigger. We currently see already 21% increase on gold this year. And we kind of thought that it would halt a bit around this 2,500 level, which it does. And we will need to see it stabilize around this level probably for the rest of the month.
And beyond gold, silver, platinum and palladium have all seen gains. What does this broader metal rally tell us about investor sentiment in today's market?
I think in general, investor sentiment is strong on metals, as it is the safe haven for a lot of investors, also hedge fund managers and other money managers. Central banks have been purchasing a lot of metals. So we've seen a lot of retail trading in the gold market and silver market as well in April this year, just pushing prices up, basically a high demand for this safe haven asset. Mainly also driven by the geopolitical tensions that we've seen this year and lately, most of it in the Middle East area.
All right, Bas Kooijman, we'll have to leave it there. Thank you very much for your analysis.
Thank you so much.